Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video I'll show you guys how can you easily recover a permanently disabled Facebook account. So if that's what you're going through right now, let me show you how can you fix it. First, open your app and actually try to log into your Facebook account from here. It might give you the option to enable the account if you try to log in within the 180 days period within disabling your account. If that doesn't work for you, you can go ahead and open your browser and simply Google Facebook disabled account recovery, just like that. Go ahead and Google that. Within the first results, you should find this one from the official Facebook platform or Facebook website. If you tap once, it's gonna take you to the app. Now you can use the app for this solution or basically for this method, but it's basically better in the browser. So you can go back to the Google search results and then try to tap and hold on the result, just like I'm gonna do right now, and then tap on open in new tab. You're gonna force it like this to open in the browser, not in the app, and again it's kinda easier or better in the website itself. Once it loads up, again you can read through these solutions and maybe get something out of them. As you can see, it says to appeal a suspension, you can log into your account within 180 days and that should fix the problem. If that still doesn't fix your problem, or if you have passed 180 days, you can scroll down until you find was this helpful. Was this helpful? Go ahead and tap no, and tap the solution doesn't work. Select that and tap on select. Now it'll give you a place or a space where you can tell them what you're going through, what's the issue here, and of course you can give more details than the ones I'm gonna give right here. I'm just gonna tell them I want to recover my permanently disabled account. Of course, again, you can add more information and more details. Anyways, at the end, include the email linked to your Facebook account, the phone number linked to your Facebook account, the username if you still remember it, and also the contact email where they should contact you once they look into this case of yours. They should get back to you within a short period of time, maybe 24-48 hours. If they don't, you can try again, and maybe if you insist, they will respond and fix your problem, hopefully. And that is it for this video, guys. I hope it was useful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and as always, thank you very much for watching and see you in future videos.